Meet Your Meat event this upcoming weekend is going to be a presentation to people who don't know anything about agriculture and to basically debunk any false ideas that people had and misconceptions people had about the agriculture industry itself.
Throughout the day, we'll have groups of people, probably groups of 10, coming up to the dairy, and they'll be guided around the facility by tour guides, where they'll have stations with the beef cattle, the calves, we'll have sheep, our meat chickens, we'll have someone in the cow barn and in the milking parlor. So all of those places will all have information regarding those areas.
I hope to inform anyone who shows up that really the food that they see on their plate has a face at one point. And there's a lot that goes into raising and taking care of those animals nutritionally to make sure that they can be turned into something useful.
With everything going on, we want students to not only have something to do, but to promote our dairy and promote the agricultural industries.
I hope to educate the college community about the agricultural industry because people have such different views of it that I want them to learn what it's actually about.
Everybody will be required to wear masks and everybody will be required to socially distance, and there will be hand sanitizer made available to everybody at the stations.